Hello, my name is Gonçalo. I'm Portuguese and I am the product discovery expert at tb.lx. This is a day in my life. My day starts by joining one of our product managers to view the roadmap and the next topics to validate and discover. After that, I combine the needs of our product managers to ensure we have a structured way to do discover and that we don't do double work. Before lunch, a product manager and I visit a customer and conduct an interview that meets several discovery needs. To start the afternoon, I work on gathering insights from the customer interview, organize them, and ensure that they can be shared with the entire organization. To close the day, I help another product manager to set up the next day's panel of experts to validate with our internal knowledge what our customers need and possible new features. Discovery is a never-ending job, and it's a trendsetter of quality and professional product development. It's a role of connecting people inside and outside of organizations, and that's what makes me move every day.